Hello and welcome back. Are you ready to speak English more naturally and confidently? In today's lesson, you're going to learn 50 powerful English sentences you must use every day. These are real-life sentences that English speakers use in daily conversations. I will read each sentence slowly, then pause for a few seconds so you can listen, repeat, and practice your speaking. Try to say every sentence out loud. Don't just listen. Speak with me. The more you repeat, the more confident you become. So get ready, speak clearly, and let's begin. Greetings and starting conversations. Listen and repeat after me. Hello, how are you? Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. Nice to see you. How's your day going? What's new? How have you been? It's good to see you again. Welcome back. Everyday communication. What are you doing? What are you up to? I am on my way. Please wait a moment. Can you help me? I don't understand. Could you repeat that, please? What do you mean? I agree with you. That sounds great. At home and daily life. I am tired today. I'm really busy. Let's eat something. I need some rest. I'll be back soon. Please be careful. Don't worry about it. Take your time. It's time to go. I'm ready. Talking to friends and people. How was your day? What do you think? That's a good idea. I miss you. Thank you so much. You're welcome. I appreciate it. Congratulations. I'm happy for you. Have a nice day. Useful everyday sentences. Excuse me. I'm sorry. No problem. Of course. Maybe next time. I'll think about it. That's interesting. See you later. Take care. See you tomorrow. Excellent job. You just learned 50 English sentences you must use every day. But remember, learning English is not only about reading. It is about speaking and repeating. Listen to these sentences again. Repeat them every day and try to use them in real conversations. Even if you make mistakes, keep going. Every small practice makes your English stronger. Which sentence was your favorite? Practice it today, and I'll see you in the next lesson.